Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Amazing Prosper. Hope you are doing well. So welcome you guys to this video. If this is your first time watching me, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button for your boy. Make sure that you hit that like button. Just like the video. It doesn't cost you much. Like the video, please. It means a lot to me. And also subscribe, as I said. Please listen to me very careful. If you're a trader and you're a newbie, or you are not making money as much as you think you are not going to, you think you have to start making, or you think that you want to start making, please don't quit. Forex is a game of probability and also a game of patience. You have to be patient with your craft. You have to be patient with what you are doing. Don't let anybody rush you, and don't let any pressure to make you put some certain things that it's not going to be good for you, like trying to rush the process. If you try to rush the process, you are going to make a lot of mistakes. So this is the right time to learn Forex, and this is the right time to focus on your chart. Remember, as I always say, that your chart is only what is going to make you successful and great in the Forex market. If you don't focus on your chart, you're not going to make money. So focus on your chart, no matter what you are doing, no matter if you have a full-time job right now and you feel like, oh, this is going to take away my eyes on the chart. No, focus on your chart and learn how to trade, maybe to become a swing trader that will help you leverage. And once you become a swing trader and you start making enough money, you can quit your job as well. So this is a very good time to start trading, as I said. And also focus on what you are doing. Don't let anybody to take you out, and don't let anybody to make you feel like you're not doing great and you're not going to be great, or you are not going to attain to anything better or good. No, don't let anybody to break you down, and don't let anybody to make you quit trading. Trading is a game that will change your life if you give it some time. So let's go directly to the chart. Let me show you guys how I traded last week and how I'm going to be trading this week. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's go. So guys, welcome to my chart. So this is my chart. So if you're new here and you're wondering what is all these things that is in my chart, so you can see whatever I'm going to be sharing with you guys, they're already on my chart right now. The lines that you are seeing here, the horizontal lines that you are seeing here is called psychology level, and the straight line that you are seeing here is called the trend lines. So amazing. Let me show you guys what I use to trade every week. So amazing. So what I use to trade every week is so simple. First ones are chart pattern. Second one, trend lines. Third one, psychology levels. Fourth one, wicks rejections. So this is the fourth thing that I normally see whenever I'm trading and I will get in on the trade. So chart pattern, trend line, psychology level, and wick rejection. These four things, whenever I see them in place on my chart, then that's a sign to get in. Remember that trading is a probability game. So when you come in the trading, that's the difference between Forex trading and gambling. In as much as there is a thin line between Forex and gambling, because when you are trading Forex, in a normal look, in a layman look, or anything that you can call it gambling. But there's something different between gambling and Forex trading, because in gambling you don't have a strategy. In as much as you can predict what the market can do, but you don't have a strategy. Because anything can happen. In as much as that is also the same thing in Forex, but with your strategy, you have win some of the battles in Forex, because with a strong strategy, you have what we call an edge. And when you have an edge with a good strategy, you are also going to make money with that edge that you have in the Forex market. So your strategy is an edge that you have in the Forex market. So this is my strategy. Very simple: chart pattern, trend line, psychology level, and rejections. That's what I use whenever I'm trading the Forex market. So simple, amazing. So as I show you guys, this is the number one, which is psychology levels, and this is two, trend lines, and this is another thing, chart pattern. So the only thing that you will not see here clearly is chart pattern, because chart pattern
happens once. Like whenever you see chart patterns, that is the point where you are going to get in, because chart pattern, you can't define chart pattern. In as much as I'm going to share with you guys what chart pattern really means, but you can't really define it when you are not trading. You have to be in the chart, like you have to be on the chart before you notice chart pattern. So amazing. So what I do is simple. The chart pattern I trade is this W and M chart pattern. That's what I use to trade whenever I'm trading. W and M chart pattern. Let me show you guys what it is. That's the two things that I use. This one is called W. So whenever I see this, then I'm ready to get in. W chart pattern. The next one is this M chart pattern. So this is what I use. This one is called W. This one is called M. You can call it double top and double bottom strategy. So that's what I use when I'm trading. So simple. So let me show you guys a typical example of them on the chart. Simple, amazing. You can see here, this is a chart pattern W. Then I get in for a buy opportunity. When I see an M, I will get in for a sell opportunity. Clearly, you can see how this happened. This is an M, big one and small one, chart pattern. Then I get in for a sell opportunity, which is this, for a sell opportunity. The next one is this. You can see here, there is a chart pattern here. In as much as this is 1 hour, let's go on 15 minutes where I take trades. Yeah, so I take trades on 15 minutes, not on 1 hour. Yeah, this is where I take trades. You can see here, chart pattern. So let me add this chart pattern. So the next one, whenever I'm okay, that's the last one. That's the last trade that I took last week. So amazing. So the next one is a trend line. So trend line has to, whenever you are trading, you have to know that trend lines are what we use as a trend traders. Like when you are trading, trend lines helps your confidences to get in the market. So trend line has a strategy which is called, it has to touch two top or two bottom before the trend line, you can say that this trend line is valid. It must touch two top or two bottom before you will say, okay, this trend line is valid. So that's what happened here. You can see first touch, second touch, and I was waiting for this third touch, and this trend line was coming from a higher time frame, like the daily time frame. That's where the trend line was coming. That's where I got this time. That's where I noticed the trend line. And I go down to 15 minutes to catch my trend. You can see first one, second one, and third one. Yeah. So that was where I was. First one, second one, and third one. What happened? The market started dropping to the that side. So you can see, let's go over to 4 hours. Let's go over to 4 hours. See what happened here. The first touch, second touch, and third touch. What happened? The market started dropping. In as much as I didn't get in here, this is where I got in on the lower time frame, because I didn't catch this move. This move started happening at night around 12, around 10, 12, 1. Yeah, so the flowing data was what I was expecting is that I'm going to get them for a sale. I don't care, because I have seen what happens on a higher time frame, that the market has reached this trend line there. So amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So the 4 hours, for me, the 4 hours is my main trend. So whenever I come to the 4 hours, I will look at to what is happening mainly, like on the higher time frame, where I will look at, okay, this market is going on a bullish trend. This market is on a bullish trend. So, but the 1 hour is my current trend. So the 1 hour is also where I conclude that, okay, this market is a kind of trading down here, in as much as the market have not broken this low. So what am I going to be expecting? If this market break this low here, that's why I have this here. If market break this low here, the psychology level, and this thing that I have here, you can see psychology level 183.500. Whenever the market break this low, this week on a higher time frame with a big bearish candle, then I'm going to get in for a sell opportunity. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting here. Yeah, you can see that this market is also on this trend line that I have here. So my trend line, I have what I call the mini trend line, the micro trend line, and the main trend line. So you can see that this thing that is coming here, I can call this one as a counter trend line because this market is a bullish trend. So the main trend line here is this one. So this is a counter trend line. So we have what we call counter trend line and the main trend line. So the counter trend line is what sometimes help you to get in maybe on a reversal or a retracement. So amazing. So let's move on. So the next thing that I want to talk about is the candlestick wick rejection. So the candlestick rejection, you can see that whenever you see me that I get in on a trade, you can see what happened here. There was a rejection here on a higher on this 1 hour time frame. There was so many rejection of a wick rejection here. That was when I know, okay, there is something that is going to happen here. This candle is where I got in. So let's go over to 15 minutes. Amazing. You can see a multiple wick rejection. What is happening here? The market was rejecting an uptrend. The market was rejecting an uptrend. And one, two, three. Then immediately I saw this candle that was going here, and it's resist to go up here. That's where I got in. Once I saw this little here, this thing I saw, okay, this is a very good place for me to get in. Once I got in here and the market started dropping, you can see here, chart pattern. Let me show you guys. Here, that's the chart pattern that I told you guys about. Clearly, 1, 2, double top, then I get in for a sale. That's about 60 something pips here, 69 pips. But I jumped in once I started seeing this rejection over here. So this is a kind of exit and entry strategy. I will get in once I start seeing a rejection of maybe an uptrend or downtrend. So once I got in, and my exit is also the same thing. Once I start seeing a rejection of that place on a psychology level, then I will jump out from the trade. So amazing. So what else? Let's go to over 4 hour. Let me show you guys that. Yeah, so amazing. That okay? So chart pattern, trend line, psychology level, and wick rejection. So the psychology levels is so simple. This is the psychology levels on GJ. So psychology levels moves from one. You can see 186.00 to 186.500, 186.700. So amazing. Let me show you guys. So from this point, 18, let's say 180.00 to 180.500 on GJ, that's 50 pips move. Other one, 181.00 to 181.500. That's another 50 pips. So this is how you get your psychology level. 18.00 to 18.500. That's 50 pips. From 18.500, 180.500 to 181.00. That's 50 pips. That's how I get this psychology level that you are seeing here. So psychology levels is a very easy strategy that I use to, instead of me using a zone to find out where to get in, I use it as a confluences to support even the zone that I will draw on my chart. Like some of us that trade support and resistance zones. So psychology levels are just something that I use to find out where my support and resistance zone is. And you can see that most time that's where the market reversed from. You can see what happened here. The market hit the psychology level, then the market started dropping from there. What about somewhere here? You can see that's on psychology level. What about here? Close to psychology level. So the psychology level is a kind of zones that help me, instead of me drawing zones or start looking for where is that zone. But with psychology level, I can also find out that where is that hidden zones that I'm looking out for. So you can see here, amazing. You can see here, all these things are zones where I get in here. You can see where the market started rejecting. And you can see that this psychology level is, this price now has been a very strong price on GJ, 183.500. That's a very strong price on GJ. That's where the market is recently finding difficult to break out from. So here you can call here a support zone on GJ currently, even on 4 hours time frame. This is a very big support zone. Like You can see the market is finding it difficult to break this zone. So that's what I'm saying. Whenever I see a very big bearish candle that break this zone now here, then I'll be looking for a retest of that place. Then I'll jump in for a sell opportunity this week. Yeah, this new week that is coming up. So amazing, amazing. So that is how I traded last week, and this is my strategy as I show you guys. So if you are new in Forex and you want to join a community, you can use the link below and join my Telegram community. In as much as I'm not much active right now, posting regularly, but very soon I'm going to be active and I'm going to be posting steady on the group. But sometimes whenever I see opportunity to get in on a trade, I also share with you guys via my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel right now if you want. So thank you guys.
Amazing, 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 amazing. Thank you guys. Thank you, especially you, for watching this video to this end. If you're new, consider subscribing, turn your bell notification. My name is Amazing Prosper, and if you want to join my Telegram channel, my link is on the description below. If you want to join a pro firm, you want to get a bigger account, you don't want to be trading your $10, $20, $50 anymore, you want to trade with an account that is bigger than your capital, just get a pro firm. For me, I prefer trading a pro firm account because it helps me to leverage on more capital and help me to build my portfolio. So let's get to business. Get a pro firm with Consummate right now. The link is in the description below. See you there. If you get a pro firm right now, just comment below and let me know that you get a pro firm from Consummate. Thank you guys. Peace out.